In this video, we will see how ZAFIRO TV is deployed in an LG TV model, bringing embedded the functionality of casting. That is to say, with no need of any dongle. This is the back of the TV. As you will see, the model is the one in here. And there's nothing else. There's no dongle, no Chromecast. The only connection in here is the LAN cable that will be giving the IP signal in order to receive the content. As a guest, what I will find on the television as an interface can be something like that, or again, something totally customizable. Let's check how we can move along the menu, and let's try some other menus to see how it works. Okay, going to services. You see the navigation is quite smooth. It doesn't matter for the guest. The guest doesn't realize if the television is LG, Samsung, Philips, or whichever brand. Navigation is exactly the same. The experience will be exactly the same. So we go to the point we are interested in, which is applications. So what we find in here, same as in the previous TV models, in all the TV models we've been running through, we have the instructions of the pairing. Here we go. And we will wait until the connection is done. Ready. Let's try how it works on this LG TV. We go to YouTube again to try, and here we have the room. We click the room, and directly connect it to my YouTube account. Okay? Playing what I was playing in my mobile. If we go back, then we will be landing in the same page where we left. And you see here, Netflix exactly the same for all the devices. Netflix requires to be an application on the screen because of the cleaning of the credentials or control of the credentials. So we're not going to go through this again because it's always the same. When you go to Netflix, then you are required to access your credentials. Okay, so going back home, we will leave it in here. Now you know how an LG works with the casting functionality embedded with ZAFIRO TV and ZAFIRO Casting.